truck's guts. Happy track day, Lockie. How are you feeling?
A bit nervous.
A little bit nervous? You're looking all veined up there. Look, you're all kitted up in the suit. And how are you feeling?
Yeah, excited too.
Excited? How are you feeling, Diesel Dallas?
I am feeling awesome.
PB today?
Definitely a PB.
Oh, PB. Look, it's got the paint job to get you the tents down the straight there.
Just show the front, not the back.
Oh,
was he saying he was going to be the second slowest guy in the Mirage today?
Possibly,
or was
yes.
that the second fastest?
Well, depends if he jumps out with a Mandalorian batsuit, Frankie.
Well, that could happen.
That could happen. And we've got young Jason here. Hello, mate.
Hello, Dan. How you going?
Very good. Got the MX-5 here, and I hear you got some new rubber.
Some death tyres.
Death tyres. Look at these.
They should be hopefully a bit better than the
You got the bloody Yodas coming out of them. Oh, speaking of Yoda, how are you going? Very good, mate.
Look, I've got a new jack.
New jack. Oh, I've got all the fancy gear.
That's a triple.
I hear you've done some other mods as well.
Strut tower mounts.
Oh, stop it. Brake pads?
-2 degrees negative camber.
Oh, very nice, very nice. And I hear you had some issue with some brake pads?
Yeah, pads were stuffed, so.
Oh, no,
I
good.
was lucky they found some good ones.
Yeah, all right, we'll test them out later. G'day, how's it going?
Chris, this is Dan.
Northside Euros, look out. Hello, mate. How you going?
Chris.
How are you?
Tom.
G'day, mate. How are you? Very good. Excellent. This looks pretty serious. Look out.
Well intentioned, yeah.
Well, Lockie, first session, how did that feel?
I was a bit nervous. Yeah, I think I did pretty well. You
Oh,
know,
I think so too.
learning the car, learning the track.
Yeah.
Part of it. So, first session done.
Yeah.
We'll go out for another one and we'll fix on some things.
What are we going to practice on this next session?
We're going to go a little bit slower. We're going to learn the cut, like the positioning.
Yep.
Trying to hit the apex.
Yep.
Not go as quick, but just more learning.
Okay. Bit of trail braking, bit of turn in, entry. Very. Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Righto, Lockie, you're out for session 3. How are you feeling?
Yeah, session 3, pretty
Yeah.
good. I've gone out there twice now and
Yeah.
I think I've definitely improved
I think so.
first session. So
Right.
that's good.
What are you going to practice this time?
We're doing the king,
Yep.
then turn 1, turn 2 and then the fish hook.
Righto, let's practice that. And we've just got some bit of air cooling going here, Lockie. So it's not the world's biggest cooler, but they work, don't they?
Oh, they do the trick, yeah.
They do the trick, yeah. I don't know what the idiot's doing down there. He's. All right, Lockie, we're out here for session 3. We're going to do some practicing, aren't we? Yeah. Yep. Let's go, Lockie James. Fred Jr. Down the straight first. Yeah, keep going. Let Frankie go. Yeah. Go. And don't overtake him. Yep. That's it, Lockie. That's it. Follow him. Yep. Now brake. Up to third. Barrage. Have some fun. Is it back off? So that's all right. Back to third. Too fast through there. Need to come off more. That's right. You're learning the limit of grip. Yeah. That's it. Turn down. Don't get discouraged. Go, Lockie. Smell the E85. Woo! That's it, Lockie. Ready to brake. Ready to brake. Hard braking. Yep. Third gear. Ready to turn in. There it is there. Well done. Now get ready. Slow down. Next one. That's it. Boot it. Boot it. Boot it. Boot it. Boot it. Yep. Fourth gear. Get ready for the lift. Lift. Turn in. There it is there. Up. Third gear. Turn in. That's it. Chase it. Chase it. That's it. Up the top. Brake. Turn in. That's it. Boot it down here. Well done. Go, Lockie. Fourth gear. Get over there. Get over there. Yeah. That's it. Chase it. Chase it. Chase it. Get ready for hard braking. Hard braking. Up the third gear. Turn in. That's it. That's it. Chase it. Yep. Now boot it. Come around this side. Yep. Go. Keep going, Lockie. Yep. Fourth gear. Get ready for the lift. Lift. Boot it. Boot it. Boot it. Yep. Straighten up here. Big moment here. Brake later. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Now brake. Yep. Rotate it around. Let's go. Chase. Hug the corner. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. That's it. Chase it. Chase it. Chase it. Slow down a bit. Yep. That's it. Go down. Now boot it. 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 Let's go. Go, Lockie. Fourth gear. Let's go. Flat, 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 flat. Well done. Okay. Slow down. Well done. Slow down now. Slow down. Slow down. That's it, Lockie. Now get ready, slow down. Next one, that's it. Boot it, boot it, boot it, boot it, boot it. Yep, 4th gear. Get ready for the left. Lift, turn in. There it is there. Up, 3rd gear, turn in. That's it, chase it, chase it. That's it, up the top. Brake, turn in. That's it, boot it down here. Well done, go Lucky. 4th gear, get over there, get over there. Yeah, that's it, chase it, chase it, chase it. Get ready for hard braking, hard braking. Up the 3rd gear. Turn in. That's it, chase it. Yep. Now boot it, come around this side, yep. Go, keep going Lucky. Yep. 4th gear. Get ready for the lift. Lift. Boot it, boot it, boot it, yep. Straighten up here. Keep over to brake later. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Now brake. Yep. Rotate it round. Let's go chase. Hug the corner. Get in there, get in there, get in there. That's it. Chase it, chase it, chase it. Slow down a bit. Yep, that's it. Go down now, boot it, boot it, boot it, boot it, boot it, boot it, boot it. Let's go. Go, Lucky. 4th gear, let's go. Fuck, 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 fuck. Well done. Okay, slow down. Well done. We're gonna slow down now. Slow down, slow down. Back to 3rd. What's your temperature doing? Good. Yeah. Let everything cool down now. Yeah. Back to 3rd. You've just done a PB, Lockie. Well, Lockie, we're going to go check out some exotic race cars here. What sort of a day have you had so far?
It's been a good day, you know.
Yes.
Done some good driving, I think.
Yeah.
Definitely improved a lot.
Definitely improved. Well, let's take a look here. This is a particularly awesome K-powered EK, isn't it?
Right.
What do you think of that?
Someone's put a lot of money into it.
They have. And these HQs are getting ready for their race day tomorrow, I understand. There's a bunch of them. Nick Moss has just changed groups because I don't think he likes being out there with them. We're seeing a couple of cylinders. Alright, let's get out of the wall and some open wheelers. Wow, look at this thing. That's particularly cool, Lockie. What do you think? You like that in the shed?
Oh, I hope.
Well, that's pretty serious.
Attention in the pits, attention in the carports. Red group.
What do you think of that one, Lockie?
Oh, boxer engine's not really my type.
No,
But they're pretty quick. So
they are pretty quick.
gotta respect them.
Yep.
Yeah,
What about this one? Woohoo! Lamborghini. Oh yeah, that's way up our alley. Woohoo! Maybe we'll get our Type R looking like this, Lockie. Look at it, look at the carbon fibre bonnet and wow. Very nice. That's not running as standard. You'll be racing AP Racing calipers, thank you. Oh, no more Type R interior. Still very cool. Oh, this is up my alley. Look at this. Awesome. VF. McLaren action. Jesus. Oh, stop it. We need some of those slicks, Lucky. Mental. Oh, jeez. Awesome. Oh. Come here for a second. I want to have a look.
Doesn't have to
What do you got there?
Oh, little
Looks like-
cappuccino.
Oh, a cappuccino.
This is made by a Mitsubishi.
Oh, geez. How many laps is that after that?
It's only about 10 laps. So
Jeez.
we're going through a little bit of
A
oil.
little bit of oil.
Yeah.
Now, you're going to dispose of that environmentally, I hope?
Exactly what we're going to do.
Right, okay, very good. And how are you going there? Good, Jeff?
Oh, not too bad.
Yes? PBs?
Yeah, struggling with braking, but that's about it.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
Yes. But I see you.
Getting down there.
You can admiring Mitsubishi's finest engineering here. I can see zip ties, core flute, a brand new Cusco front brace.
Yeah.
What do you think of that, Diesel?
This is beautiful, chrome.
Very nice.
Yeah.
And how are your PBs going today?
None today.
Oh, okay.
No, actually seconds slower than normal, but
Oh.
that's all right. Changes and it is what it is. It's warmer today and yeah, but what a blast.
Yeah.
I recommend everyone have a go at it.
Absolutely. All right. Done your admin check-in yet?
Certainly have. Done
Yes.
it twice and then a third time for good measure.
Oh, okay.
Very
Very good.
efficient.
Yap and did your disclaimers?
Well, I did have help with that.
Yes,
but,
thank you. Yes, thank
for
you.
that.
Righto, Frankie, we're cooling down your wheels here and you're about to go out again. Maybe the last session of the day, I suspect.
Yes, it's probably not the best conditions, but
No.
not to say I can't do a PB, but
All right. What are you currently doing?
14.4.
A nice one. Well, 13.9 is your PB, so maybe it is this temperature out here, and who knows? And there's someone's banging a Mandalorian down there. You're going to buy yourself another Mitsubishi, Frankie.
Well, it's awfully tempting, isn't it?
Oh, this will be pretty handy.
Nice fabrication in the back here.
Oh, I can see.
I might get some inspiration.
Yes. I think old mate's running a 4G63 and be particularly handy, I reckon. Very nice.
Mitsubishi's is in the flavour.
Mm, absolutely. All right, Frankie, PB from you today. Woohoo! You're up against the Mandalorian from the universe. Oh, there's an Integra in your group. Oh, exciting. right. That looks interesting. There goes young Jeff. Go, you Mandalorian! Here comes the Mirage. Here comes the little Mitsubishi Mirage, punching above its weight and competitors with far much more grunt. 1.8 litre with the primer paint job. Woohoo! Go you Mandalorian!